Damani wa batho ba 400 di sex tape tse 400 Equatorial Guinea mo Africa. Nna ka mmotsa a nkwatela baby no ampoledi ska re ke mmoditse re Damani ke role model yaka ke mmoditse straight re no ka titšha dina la ka ke nna ma 400.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We are introducing our new podcast. We're calling ourselves T's and C's because actually my name is going to be Temba. I'm Temba, by the way. So I'm going to call you Cleo just for
you
the sake
can
of
call
the
me
people.
Cleo.
So that
My real name is Spook Ben. Mara. We spell Spook Ben. Spook Ben. Mara, you can call me Cleo just for the sake of it. User friendly one.
Sure.
Kine Woolworths vibe nyana wantswara.
Yeah.
No sponsorship food, sorry. Wantswara.
Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Temba Zulu. So ngiphethe uCleo la eceleni kwami ngiphethe na awuthame ngivanayo uCleo. So into siniphathele yona la siniphathele ama opinions wabantu raw from ekasi about what is happening in the country every day on our daily lives. It's just what is currently happening. This is our personal views. Nobody is responsible for what we're about to say in this podcast. It's just going to be ourselves. If we're attacking or if we're talking, actually discussing, there's no attack. If we're discussing sport, it's just merely our opinions. It has got nobody. It has got nothing to do with nobody else.
Le hopeleng guys wa mfrestana sakrele hore wa misunderstand werang ya go di commenting o butse question ke tla waraba wa botse re hira halang wa ntlhalwanya mara the major thing go hore this is opinion yaka.
Sure.
And then salibala he re ntse re bloma ke re ke setup le ya o bloma le majita re bolela go casual mara salibala hore re na le jutana nyana wa ntshwara so sa tsa everything ka pele wa ntlhalwanya so wa tsara
so what inspired our podcast just maybe to give people a brief overview is like we're standing on the corner sama out yafita ka Vrpa. Suddenly our discussion will start talking about cars. It will be like it's again. Then that's basically what inspired our podcast, ladies and gentlemen. It's merely that. So that is why every topic that we're going to be discussing here is just inspired by what we see daily. Something that can just pass by and then we start the topic. A beautiful lady passes by, so we start talking about women.
It's just basically opinions of English it's basically opinions of your everyday normal citizen. Not necessarily because I've noticed like lately I'm not getting real genuine opinions. I'm getting like a watered down version. I just wanna re oveng man to man, face to face, cherry omupila putse weavy man to one.
Exactly. So you know where this one is going because this one is for the public. You don't have to be someone known to be invited into this podcast. So if you like what you're talking about and you also feel like you've got something to say, either we're going to be discussing something politically, sports, general, anything, then you're going to be invited in this podcast. Please, and on the comment section there, indicate if you want to be invited. And then we're also going to leave our contact details so that people who wants to be part of this, they are all welcome. This is for the public. Right?
Yes.
Cheers.
And in the future, we'll be getting guests. Obviously, the guests there. There's a few guests along T's and C's and unfiltered guys. If you tell script or
that's what we said. We're just on the stream, merely standing on the corner of the street. Elokshini, I keep up big time. Like right now. We just had to go to Ramaphosa was addressing So basically it's gonna be now what's your take on that? How do you feel about that? It's me, I'm just a normal citizen. So one of the things that I would like to understand, if you can just maybe look at that one basically. Ramaphosa, first of all, why did it take so long for this to be addressed?
Magula Kalali, okay. Eric Magula, because Nalema Somali, Honalema Bangladesh,
the people who are operating spaza shops, we can just leave it at that.
Oh, it's before we interrupt. Sure. Ma dimense Joe Honaleme Angele, me uncle o mong so ho cousin aka.
Unfortunately
no were la mara. Da uncle na na spaza jo. U iseke ma demons. Cause my demons ba butse spaza not far from yena ne. Oh jo jigi ma demons ba riksa di loga di half price. One to a point along we couldn't keep. So I butse ma di pakra di tsa di discount. She fan no years later bana ba tlhokofala. Goraro ho na le something nyana man.
Ne.
Mona le itsnyana.
But Joe, before, because we're gonna get to that actually, how do they get these prices to be so low? But Negibatla just said Tomega this one because the reason this question why did it take so long for Ramaphosa to address it? Is it because it doesn't maybe affect first class people or those people who are more privileged? Is it because it's only affecting? Because remember, there are people who are just in the township who buy from those people daily. Those are the people that are affected by that. They have felt the pain of going to a funeral. That thing. Why does it take so long for me and you to get their issues to address?
Mara, okay, ne? Waitsi ki di balang. Ulle a reng Ramaphosa pila. Wait, cause waitsi na ke na le flop yang. Ke na ke batho ba le ba ileng hore he re bolela. Ke nya go no thoma a thega wa bo mara ke bono waitsi ke. Iri kutle pele ulle a reng damane ulle a reng before ke thoma ke re ai mara wena mara me brawer juta ore o bolela nnete wa thusa wa ntlhalwane. Ulle a reng pila.
Okay, kopelo mo defender mo. Okay, actually I mo defend. Let me just give what he said. I didn't get that full address, but I did. I had just a couple of things that are caught in that address. One of the things say adibulating are okay. I don't care about him taking so long because I think that's his style. He likes taking so long. That guy talking about what pesticides. I can't even remember the words he was using there. What I was interested in was what are we doing? What is he gonna do? So he said the spaza shops are gonna be closed immediately.
Oh
yeah.
Oh, my friend, my friend.
Okay, so maybe you can also have your view on this. On his address, he doesn't clearly state how is he going to implement that, because if he said those shops are going to be closed with immediate effect. So in my understanding, with immediate effect, that means this morning, because he addressed that thing last night, that means this morning there's no spaza shop that's open.
Only immediate effect, man.
In his words.
Mara Jo, okay, ne? Yeah. My friend, I have income ya bona. So if Batswala died any immediate effect, Nagam Kokubonang, Ukawata my friend, ne? Mara, my friend the shapu, Baira ing what barong shapu, whatever, ne? Mara, what about Mutan Nankasi?
Very crucial point. But Yona Eyamatomo, self, what's his plan to get those? Because he didn't clearly specify. Maybe I missed that. I might be wrong if I missed that. But from what I saw, he didn't say what I would expect, Joe, I'll be factual. To say, tomorrow morning, I'm deploying 500,000 police across Gauteng. As an example, I'm just using that hypothetically speaking.
I wonder if I am a police. Let's protect him. Police. Nagi ba leva cold drinking. Nagi cold drinking. Nagi nyakal bottle.
What are you saying? I'm a police.
No, kira kibela kan agir.
Okay.
One of the nice thing mask. Uga siturige magi. Bona ejo utlong kira ko road block. Kin na wala bar patala di take at the same time or uya tronko. Wa waiti ba. Lelo rai mumla mara okay. Ya aba deploy. Are deploy gents abon. My friend,
okay.
Go di biscuit deploy.
So Joe, my concern is what's the plan of ensuring those spaza shops are closed? I don't know if there's people maybe who know, they can also assist us in the comment section to say no. This is the plan. If they can just lay out, because remember when you talk about something, especially after waiting for so long, as I address this thing, I would have thought he's been working on a robust plan, like, or at least a contingency plan to say, guys, from tomorrow I'm deploying so much police people to go and ensure no spaza shop is open. I'm not sure if that was addressed.
ya mara nna jo spaza shop ka se tswale sephape nna borotho bole ba sephaza bong wa bona go mo kana nkang
Yeah.
ke borotho bole ba go sephaza bong
Yeah.
and azanga ka bona baker ko my friend
Yeah, but subsequent to that, remember that follows that thing ya gore if ana le plan ya gore o di tswalla bang dispenser shop, then what's the plan to ensure people wake up and get bread this morning?
Yeah, so
the
no
people who are buying from
o
that
travel
spaza.
local and no taxi ya tura jo locally ke nana from go mahuwe o give ke ya go Den Lane ne
Yeah.
o ga re ke bo ma 15 rand jo
Yeah, I think
na
it's
hana ene borotho ke bo ga ke choko bo ma choko 20 something ne
Yes. So that means you need
So
to
what are we-
return. That means a clipper just to get
wa ntlhalwa
bread. Yeah.
so I wonder
Because remember, if it's 15 rand, that's 30 rand. Let's say it's 15 rand. I'm
Yeah.
not sure. I also don't know. Let's
na
say
go
it's 15.
no go ikunamela taxi
Oh, okay. When we are covered.
ke phela kunamela hayi wa
Yeah, it's just that I haven't done
na
it
le ngwana
in a
mongwe ko mahuwe ne ke se le ka motshwara so dai baby are ke tsere ke bolata bo
Yeah.
kara wa ko maboko haramong aki so ga botsa ra tlhabe are o mpotsa ka Uber
Yeah.
ha mpotsa ka Uber
Yeah.
ke mmotsa ra wa jo taxi le teng
amaphele lokishini
Ube
like
if it's na bela ka 15 rand jo tla ka mo kra mo le mo Den Lane if se ke mo tsaya mo wa itse wa just net Ramaphosa taba ya hayo so anyway so that baby re fitla da ga mo tsa go Den Lane ra vaya o nna mnat so ntse ke valen o mpotsa ka damane wa batho ba 400 di 6 tape tse 400 equatorial gain mo Africa
Yeah.
nna ka mmotsa a nkwatela da baby no ampoledi ska re ke mmoditse re damane ke role model yaka
Esa.
ke mmoditse straight re no ka titšhantšha dina la ka ke nna ma 400 ke nna ma 40 that was for team
Okay.
Team
Okay.
no.
Okay. Yes, I think. Okay. Let me understand this.
Yeah.
Maybe you might know something. I think I heard that story about
Yeah.
this guy. Who counted that these videos are 400?
re ko botsa
Did
ka
they go through them to say video number 1? Like how do they
Yeah.
know they are 400? Or the right way to put it is they are more than 400. And still, how did you get to that number?
exactly wa itse nna ke nana hore ne ke nana hore madam ntse ba leba o ke re ba re he ba mo irile it's not like wa itse wa ikitse stories ka rata ditse snacks nyana sometimes
Oh, yeah,
sometimes
no,
se fela not all the time sometimes so damane ba le ba re ne le Department of Finance what kore ke batho ba le ba baholo wa ntshwara
Top official.
nkare ke gigabanyana giga mo compare le gigabyte so so ke mo ke level o na le dinyuku o sharp so ne ba mo suspect of corruption a ke itse re ne ba mo tshwere already
Yeah.
or ne ba mo suspect
Yeah, no, Nebamo investigator. What I know
Yeah.
is they were investigating. Remember, if they're investigating me, they have to go through my stuff. Who do I
Yeah.
talk to? I think that's how they
Yeah,
got to
yeah,
the videos.
yeah.
Yeah, that's my understanding.
oh
of it,
yeah so ba tsaya ba kra dai hutese ene ke nagana hore nna ka mkhwa ke bonang ne maybe that didn't say le e kreile ke motho mosadi ne wa investigating a khatlheha a re mara I must share this with the world because wa itse batho ba basadi ba na le khetso wa ntshwara so na ra wa itse keng dimane jo game ya hai game ya ere ke sharele ke nana ka mkho o divadile I doubt ke out because out nna ko kwata jo ke bona ke that nka se wa ntlhalo na wa itse
Okay, yeah, but Cleo Joe Imakal. Okay, if Mutaboning Daihutes
Yeah.
that means remember those things were supposed to be seen by top government officials or very serious
Yeah.
investigators.
Yeah.
Then how did it end up in public? If people, those people that are supposed to be investigating high-profile people like a government official, how did it end up in public? I'm just trying to understand. I'm not saying because I'm trying to understand. Are these people really that negligent to such an extent that they can leak such an information?
e nahanisa ka motive a ke re la hopela ke le boditse re nna ke le police
Oh, okay.
Here investigator crime re check a motive so hore le motho a leakileng ole nana le motive what was the motive mara pila
Yeah,
hore
but that
leak
means that's
then.
a motive on top of a motive. Because remember, there's a motive behind the investigation.
Yeah.
For why did you do this crime?
Yeah.
What motivated you to do this
Yeah.
crime? Then, but someone else commits another crime with another motive. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah ke nana hore maybe ho na le wa itse ne mara ho bolela nnete damane jodio tsa dirang kwa nna ke nya go practice ke kore ka re maybe a ka mpha something ke bone hore o ira bjang jo bolela that guy
O practice eng? O
no
practice
like am khoirang wa itse ke putsa hore ne 400 okay 400 more or less ne ka mkhuba bolelang
Yeah.
o damane o le ne o ba fasitse bjang ke nyaka unroot or o ba fasitse bjang
Ish.
And then cousin na Joe, wa bona he re tla iso ke stapa iso ke batle ana baby o nice ka mo khruta hey ho byang o mbetha ka bomo Joe ka utla botlhoko byang.
Welcome to the real world.
So what does that guy have? What does that guy have?
Yeah, whatever he says goes with women, because it looks like whatever he says goes. I think, okay, probably, obviously, you remember the guy's a top government official.
Yeah.
So he's got more opportunities. And he's got access to places where you want to have access. And there's people who would want to be associated with him. I think it would work like that. I think it's people who can abuse their power.
Abusing of power.
Abusing of power, yeah.
Mara, okay.
Forgetting that one day it will catch up with him.
Mara, regarding abuse of power, check. Regarding abuse of power, because now, okay, I can confess, the videos the guys.
Okay, actually, I'm not on Twitter. I think they're on Twitter.
I
just saw some pictures, yeah.
To a point, okay. To a point, so,
to a point of what?
Basadi no, because I get sentence ke le mo fosong. Maybe ba tla ira ba mpona hore sentence ke le yeah. So, mara one thing I've noticed those ladies were enjoying it. It's like uba budit or lutluane hore ejo a re ti recorda ne ya re ti recorda nyana go hotel so
really? Yeah, I haven't seen the videos honestly.
No I go tlhalosetse nka se botse details
tso tshwerele if una tso
ke na tsona ke di delete
okay, yeah, sure.
So it seems like they were enjoying, I guess. Okay. And then not like the thing is bra I get cousin na experience ga ya fasa.
Yeah.
He ke fasa ho difficult ka fasa then bang one it's to get to a point where you're actually with a lady that is so into you that she would do anything.
Yes, yeah.
Like I'm just trying to crack my mind or that code.
Reka verpa mavara. No, yes, Cleo. Let me just throw in my 2 cents worth in this. This is what I've learned. Growing up, every boy wants to think they would love to be a player and have more than one girlfriend. Those kind of things. Yeah. Obviously, we've tried that. All of us. What I noticed when I felt like I'm a guy, I need to have multiple girlfriends and everything. The more the more you are active on that thing.
Let's say
I'm dating 3-4 girls, or ladies or something. I think I become more attractive to women because most of the time when you start making a move on a woman, they'll buy into it. Some women will buy into it even though they know your partner. As an example,
okay, and
everything, but
they want to add.
I think there's that thing with women. I don't know how does it work, but it happens. Obviously, during our growing up times and everything, because I only started maybe to say nuggets when I started working, because I felt like I don't have money, because it started being expensive, those kind of things. So my take is, I think women have got they just easily get attracted to you if you are good at it, if like you are frequently doing it. If now ungaba nabantwana babhaya wabayile activele elabantwana strong, it will be easy. I think it just automatically.
Okay,
I wouldn't know. I'm guys. I'm just saying.
Maybe get practice, maybe get practice. Mara oitsi nna go irang. No ke nagana gore maybe ke bule sephaza ke re ba re ba e tswalla tsele tsa makula tsele tsotlhe. Ramaphosa re o tlo tsalla ba tlo ba regulator. Maybe no ke chance ya gore rena re bule diphaza. Maybe nka bula sephazanyana he batla ka re ka o kolotisa airtime.
No, but let's go back to what you're saying about your uncle.
My uncle,
or your uncle who broke ka died. So how many people in the township have attempted to open spazas and they went broke?
It's crazy.
Let's forget about spazas. Let's look at businesses in South Africa. How difficult is it to sustain a business?
Wabona business. Mara nka bolela ka ya spaza. O itse ya spaza ne? Nna ntho ke di butsang because of I agree for any business, for example drip mara re tla ikoma young head at that mara any business
but they say established I'm talking about where you can't even break even.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like that is why.
ngishaya isilungu angizwa you can't break even. Hey wena oplaza wena kwenja ngeke uzazi leza ama business. Yeah, ne break even yazi yiphi like.
Yeah.
Ile ukuthi I spend 1,000 rand to start a business. Then I first get my 1,000 back before I start making profit. So it's called breaking even.
Yeah,
so you break even. Then whatever money that you make after that, because you already have, if I had borrowed that 1,000 from you, that means now I'm able to pay you back that 1,000, then start making money based on
my friend ba kolotisa di airtime so hape ke hopela kolotisa salamina o itse ne ke le mo lining ne a ke no matsatsi a late ba tswalla ka di batla so
but at least ba ilo crack ba tlunyana ga wena salamina a re
so ki ko mora wa salamina wa re ko fa ka utla my friend mo fa airtime airtime you bring back even later ke later ba ngor my friend wa tswalla ka 7 ba tlhala nako tsele ne ba tswalla ka pele so ka mogolo wo jo ka salamina why
what are you insinuating?
No, I couldn't take you. So that is why
are you saying they are making profit because people can pay them back?
Miva kolotisa mara ya late hovan ejineli na kwele ne batsalla ka pele ora no my friend ho ka ya ka ma 11 o khono kra ba butsa mara pele ne batsalla ka pele wabo so koma my friend o fa salamina airtime wabo ya Vodacom
you pay me later
ya Vodacom salamina ka rena la pisira di please call me ofetsa later na kana no moro o tswalletse mara my friend later
yang maybe it didn't mean later on that day.
Die baby re go botse die baby ne later on yana mole after yana di wabo se le ka tswa go kasi then ka tsa few years ka bo he ke bua ke bona go bona ngwana le ngwana le mirira hai a ke hane ne ba wa jo mirira ngwana o ka re wa pere weave ngwana le ne mara ke mirira hai ke matlhai ka ma it's maybe that is why these pastors are really successful because bana le special plan B&A he salamina krasasa maybe o patela my friend wa ntlhalohanya ke sekoloto
we can never know guys. It's Cleo's opinion. I've got nothing to do with being later and everything. So but mina Jones actually see there's something I would like us to discuss in terms of e business, especially there's a guy I love very much. Vusi Tambekwayo, he normally advocate for people.
Vusi Tambekwayo utlwile damane o peipana le ba re ke mang ke mangana damane o le wale ba dinyana ba re ke mang da o le
the feud between come on man, I'm trying to talk business here.
No, like wa itse ke utlwile ne emanyana re go botse
guys
ke na le history le damane ha ngiki ne a bona da dentsaga ya
Vateman
Sizwe ke beile pila
o na le history le Sizwe
no
most petty celebrity
angitsi mara nna ka moitsi a kere na o motive
so I'm saying if you are in his cycle nabo Sizwe, if you are in the same cycle nabo Sizwe, that means you are somebody more.
No, not cycle like
shooting petty ngwenya
not
don't want to take out this thing just slightly somewhere half here.
No guys, not necessarily man kena North Scotland kadala guys so
okay tell me about
history
your history.
So na damane angitsi ne mara ka muitsi because of everywhere once
so no it happens there's people that they wouldn't know that I know them especially high profile people
mara wena o celeb wena ba uitsi ke sure mara nna ba ngitsi kore so damane like the first time kitsi ka yena no hona le an baby ke jala le yena ne so that baby umputsa yo ke na le crush yo so cuz nna ke rena go ka ke tla ira byang because wa ntlhalwanye ke tla wabo so wambuza yena hampontsane ke damane o itse nna ntho ngwa tse gore
so your doll una le crush
mo Sizwe
okay no
so and he ke mmona
I get you
ha ona ntho nka itlhoyang ka yena wa ntlhalwa o pila o na le zaka o ka re go motelle lena wa ntlhalwa
no he's a charm he's a charm
ke charm so ka no motloya from that to why na why wa jo ka no motloka kwata felo ra wa ntshwara so mo ntho ya ha ile vusi hu ira halang cause go tlile o ka re ba frotelana o ira halang
it's just that because remember I've got so much respect especially for both of them.
Yeah.
Because Vusi he just did the World Summit thing
Okay.
where he was talking. Yeah, and I think I posted about it even on my LinkedIn.
Well, summit.
He was talking to about. He remember he's a public speaker,
Yeah.
so he was invited to be one of the speakers in that
in
that World Summit.
Yeah.
Remember the guy was representing us globally.
Yeah.
So no, I think this few to talking about the recent one. There was one where he posted something. I think Sizwe tweeted about it. And then probably are you referring to that one when you talk about the
no, I get about
yeah, there's something making rounds about Vusi. I think what I saw was Vusi posted something and Sizwe said it's fake, like the last time he posted about the watch was fake. He says I don't
Sizwe
know
are Vusi watch ya Vusi is fake or Vusi are watch ya Sizwe is fake.
No, Sizwe are watch ya Vusi give fake. Sizwe says Vusi's watch is a fake watch. Yeah. So I think there was something like that also. Close to your heart.
Yeah.
I think there was something like that. But normally I don't do what do you call this? Gossip stuff about people if I had to put it like that. I don't follow those things that much because I know that there's a feud between the two of them. I normally don't like it, especially when such high profile people do that. I remember there was a time when Vusi was being interviewed. I think they asked him, Vusi, can't you guys fix this one? No, Sizwe. And he went on to say, no, I shouldn't to lay I see a machita, you know how
Zulu. You know what? How? It's English. Because every time I will learn English,
yeah.
Wa itse ke jumpile bang gore ke motho mo Mzansi ka le twadi lele la hae lele la shine nyana a le tshwanela kwa America no you must snete ke zama ka mokopisa
no but Vusi is a motivator. What's your take on
motivator?
Yeah, he's a good motivator to people like him. I'm motivated whenever I look I listen I sit down and I watch his content. Yeah, he's a great guy.
Wow, motivator.
Yeah. What do you mean a motivator?
Na ke hudile ke motivator ke ma spinner wa ntlhalwane.
So
he ke mona a khonu relate because
why ngakhono
relate ke bonang he ke mona
yeah
ke diputsa hore okay di mane at least wa bona mapolitiki ba bolela sekgoa se le sa bore o go utlo rayo ba le a ba tlhahe go dizakeng wa ntlhalwane so o le ha bolela ene ko moholo o itse ko moholo nako ke show o tsene sekolo ka nako tsele tsa bo before 1994 ba ka part ko moholo wa no re ko munya ko moholo so o lo ithutile ka sekgoa se le se se mo ho no he go ka nako tsele tsa
schools. Yeah, they obviously went to good schools.
No hona le opportunity nako tsele hore ba khono ya go di good schools because a khono wa bona le Ramaphosa since when a bolela ka dijo ha bolela ka iputse mara ya Ramaphosa khono utlo wa practice in the mirror.
No, he's reading. Remember that one there's a teleprompt.
No, but ke bolela ka accent the one sir.
Yeah.
Like I can tell okay, like opinion guys, my opinion.
Yeah.
I can tell hore o practice this va ka hore a khono ho betha Woolworths. Wa boka mkhobolela Woolworths. Wa utlo o practice this va.
No, he went to school.
No, but no, practice because okay, an example between yana le Zuma ne. Zuma na bolela re 100 and you follow? One
yeah.
Ramaphosa o fitlile mo okay 125
yes.
One until I corner okay 99 85 one but ya Vusi ai jo itlhaga ikopela re botse sekgoa sa itlhaga ibraya kopela o re fande and then le rena here khono lena sekgoa mara nna ke nana for nice too late for bana bana ba ka ne one day gore bana ba ka ba lene cause sankhatla mara unfortunately I cannot relate because I ke feel ka re o dio tsa di bolelang ke dilo tse leng hore o like jo ke dio tse di practical focus one swara.
Yeah. So guys, eating khathele out le ngoba ngiyabona izongishanga isikhathi mahala ngifuna ukuyobheka igame so
eshikana
yeah so le out le guys njengoba nibonile nani i-podcast yethu. This is our podcast guys. We are just guys talking about there's no structure to say good. If now you can just come in here and you talk about ama potholes, we're just going to talk about ama potholes.
Mara ba le ba re Vusi watch ha e fake or emanyana kenya go khothatsa dabra ba leng watch ha e fake bra ya ka le nna ya ka ke fake wa yebo ke fake me ba ra tshwana mara Bupinchis, ababone, abana taba ka diehutes.
Ne.
As long as at least u kaya nyana go Gucci wa para Gucci e one ya maneti then ra ya small ba botle.
No,
Ra khwa dikota, ra nna sharp. Ababone.
All right, this is Joe. It is Valelo episode ngifuna ukuvaya. We need to go because kune game ngumuntu we disc, so I need to go there and I always try to make sure I go mangabe kune disc. And then so ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. This is basically we just trying to break in as well into the industry because the industry is opened. That is why because the industry is opened, we're also trying to open it for you as well. Guys, we've got an opportunity to come to our podcast as just an ordinary person. You don't have to be somebody who's known, TV or something. Your opinion counts to us because you're gonna exactly understand what you're talking about because you are feeling the pain. You are not talking from the other end or the other side. We're going to have famous people. We're gonna have everybody, but this one is also open for the public. Joe, what's your take?
No. And if unya gonna anonymous, ne? Ke tla ofa masnete mara o ko hemetse thata ish ke tla ofa mask and then wana anonymous mara wa ntlhalwa re nya go ke dimo o itse ke dimang ke dimo re ka kra someone o leng hore o dance like o relevant apara mask then wa bo ra bolela go tshwana le Aries ba re Aries o lwa le mamang ba bolela ke utlwile di a ke re ke na le utlwelanyana hip hop nyana so ra ta Aries apara mask a ba roga ba botle.
Joe, I'm bad with those things. When there's rumors about people, I'm bad at knowing about them. So that is why I don't know what you're talking about right now.
No, I ke dilo tsama yo man. My man. O bona tseo yo my man. O di bona mus. Le guys, re tla le bona next time ho tla bona.
It is Vanessa. And then our next episode is coming very soon and then we're going to be telling us about your mask as well. And we're going to be going to continue talking about just things that are happening around
everyday things
people.
The terms and conditions are
ladies and gentlemen, we are T's and C's. Please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Santana. Cheers, man.
Sure.